if you're watching this video, you may be thinking about hiring an attorney in what is called a negligent security claim, or to represent you in regard to a negligent security claim. And you're thinking, well, how do I select the right attorney? Well, let me tell you, first of all, you want an attorney who handles personal injury law, not an attorney who represents businesses and business deals, or drafts wills, or represents people when they get a DUI. You want a personal injury lawyer. But even more specifically, you want a lawyer who knows about negligent security claims and has experience handling negligent security claims. Negligent security claims are very different than, let's say, your typical average car accident. The law in Georgia on negligent security claims is very complicated, and it's possible that if you do not have an attorney who knows how to handle these cases, knows what evidence is necessary to prove in order to bring your case to trial, then it's very possible your negligent security claim could be dismissed by the court before you even get to court. So you want a lawyer who is experienced and knowledgeable about negligent security claims specifically, not just car wrecks or slip and falls. And you want a lawyer who will not only handle the case just to settle it, but who will go to trial and who has experience trying negligent security claims. Again, these are cases that are different than your garden variety car wreck case. You know, if you were, let's say, injured or assaulted at a shopping center or a hotel or motel or in an apartment complex where there was a high crime rate in the past, and the owner of that shopping center or that apartment complex knew about that crime rate and didn't take appropriate and reasonable measures to protect their customers or their tenants, well, they may have responsibility. But of course, you know, the criminal who committed the assault, he or she may also have responsibility, and you want a lawyer who knows how to deal with that complicated issue at a trial. Because you can bet that the defense lawyers who are defending the owner of the shopping center or the apartment complex owner are going to be telling the jury, hey, we didn't pull the trigger, or we didn't assault this woman. This criminal who's never even been apprehended, he did it. We're not responsible. He put 100% of the blame on him. When in fact, the owner of the complex or the shopping center or the hotel, they do have responsibility, because this was completely foreseeable, because it had happened before at their premises and they knew about it, but they didn't spend the money to protect their customers or their tenants. They saved money by not hiring security guards, not having operating gates at their entrance, not having security cameras. They decided to keep that money in their pocket rather than spend it on security. So they do have responsibility, because it was entirely predictable that you or your loved one would be assaulted or injured, because it had happened before on those that same premises. But you want a lawyer who knows how to prove that and knows what to expect at a trial, what type of defenses to expect, and how to deal with those defenses. So you want an experienced trial lawyer who has experience handling negligent security claims. If you or someone you love has been injured or assaulted in someone else's premises as a result of some sort of criminal activity, and you have a negligent security claim, or you think you might, please call us. We'll talk to you about it. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.